that your favorite song, honey? Huh?
Mason.
Mason. You like that song? Hey, Parker. Hey, Parker. Hey, Moira. Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Wave hi, bye. Hey, wave hi, Parker. Wave hi. Hi, honey. Oh, aren't you sweet? You guys are so sweet. Blythe, say hi, honey. Hi, sugar. What's he doing? I like that hair.
We just did that earlier.
Hi, kids. Just be yourselves. Just be normal. This is on a video. You don't have to sit still.
Oh.
You can just be whoever you are. Be normal.
Have you ever seen this?
What's that, sweetie?
Pizza delivery fail.
No.
There's a security cam in this pizza delivery guy.
Hi, little imp.
Do you want to see
The little elfin face. Yes.
Let's go.
What, honey?
Do you want to see this?
What is it?
Pizza delivery fail. It's like a pizza delivery man. He drops a pizza on the road and he puts it back.
No, I don't want to see that.
It's
Ooh.
like a security camera. Like
I don't think
this
so.
person takes it.
Oh no, I think that would gross me out. I'd never order a pizza again.
Well, I mean, you can tell it's an accident.
Yeah, but then he takes it and gives it to the people?
Yeah, that's because he's.
That's not cool, is it?
Uncle Shane, watch this. It's pizza delivery fail, and this was caught on tape.
Say hi, Uncle Shane, to the video camera.
Quit, Mom.
You good-looking cuss, you.
Watch. The pizza man gets out of the car with the pizza. Rings the doorbell. Drops the pizza everywhere.
Oh no.
Watch.
Parker, what are you doing over there, buddy boy? What are you doing, sugar?
He delivers it.
You're awful cute. Oh
And
my
he runs
goodness.
into his car.
Wow.
It's gross, isn't it?
That is.
That's terrible. You would never do something like that, would you, Jonah? That's a horrible thing. You would never do that.
No, typing kid poops and pants in the middle of class.
No.
Because why? Because the golden rule says we do it to others as we would have them do to us, right? And we sure wouldn't want anybody to treat us that way.
Yeah.
Now,
There's
would
this guy's
we?
bowling on his TV.
Yeah.
He tries to go again. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. What's he doing?
He's gonna get ready to bowl.
He's gonna throw and break the thing. Is that what he's gonna do?
He accidentally broke it. And he's like a 46-year-old man.
Oh, he must be drunk or something.
Yeah, he's your mom.
Oh, he likes you, Jonah. Look at him.
Yeah, he likes touching the back of your head.
He does. You guys are cousins, huh?
Yep.
We're little cousins. How's that feel for you, Mo, not to be the smallest and the baby of the family now? Is that okay? You don't mind, do you? Do you? Do you mind? No, you don't mind. That girl doesn't mind. She likes to be all grown up now, don't ya? You don't mind. Look at you. You're so cute. Maddie, come here. Maddie, sweetie. Come over here. I want to get you on the little video here. Hi, Maddie. Oh, look at you and your new top that Aunt Toggy got you. Let me do this. Oh, I want to see how you look. Let me go back here. Oh, don't you look cute? Now model it. Just sort of turn around and... Oh, honey, you look so cute. You're such a pretty girl and so smart. So smart. I'm so proud of you. Hey, you know what I thought we'd do today while we're here? I'm going to download you a book from Barnes & Noble. So you don't have one yet, right?
Not yet.
On your thing? Okay. We'll do.
Hey, Dave.
closer to you.
Mason, look over here, honey. I'm watching you mow. Come here. Come over here. Oh. 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 What you doing? What are you doing? Those big brown eyes. Don't pass that now. Okay, let it go. Oh, you didn't laugh like you did on the other one. Look at Aunt Taki. Come here, honey.
Do that one.